Hi, this is Neeraj from G-Inditure SAP Consulting, Noida, India. This presentation is about credit limit check functionality in SAP. Earlier, this used to be a part of SAP SD, but recently, a couple of new functionalities have been introduced, and now this has become a part of SAP FSCM, Financial Supply Chain Management. This presentation covers a short description about our services, that is about us, followed by the scenario which we intend to cover, supported by the demo of the functionalities related to credit limits check, and finally followed by way forward and contact us. Thank you. Hi, this is Neeraj from G-Inditure SAP Consulting, Noida, India. G-Inditure is formed by a group of chartered accountants, ex-Big Four, specializing into SAP services. We specialize into SAP Financials and SAP Analytics on ECC as well as on HANA and Cloud. Our core services includes services in the area of FSCM, Financial Supply Chain Management, including Treasury and Risk Management, Hedge Accounting, etc. In the area of EPM, we provide services for performance management, which includes business planning and consolidation, BPC, as well as governance and risk compliance, SAP GRC. Here is a list of services which we provide, which includes your analytics, SAP FSCM. In the area of financials, we provide financial account consulting, specifically to the CFO's office, including your IFRS compliance, legal compliance, tax compliance, and how this needs to be done on SAP. In addition, we also provide services in the area of HCM and SuccessFactors, cloud, mobility, and e-commerce. Supporting to that, we also provide AMS services, which includes SAP support, development, implementations, and staff augmentation. In the area of resourcing and support, we provide staffing and resourcing services on TNM basis as well as on contractual basis for the functional and the technical for SAP ECC, HANA, and other services. These resources are available on site as well as offshore. This is a list of people, those who have formed this G-Inditure. So this is our leadership team with our presence in US, India, and Singapore. You can contact any of the email IDs below, or on general, you can contact to inquiry@ginditure.com. Thank you. The below slides shows the scenarios covered to explain the functionality of credit limit check in SAP FSCM. In this slide, you can see at the top is the scenario, and at the bottom of the slide, second half, is how we have implemented it on SAP to show the demo. Situations can be as simple as one business doing business with another entity, which is again a single business, or it can be many to many relationship where an entity may have more than one lines of business and the entity with which they do business may have more than one subsidiaries. In this example, we can see that our customer has 4 lines of business, which includes your SAP plastics, furnitures, chemicals, and pipes. And now they are dealing with an organization which may have a number of entities under it. For example, they may be dealing with Reliance, in which they may be dealing with Reliance Religare, Reliance Digital, Reliance Fresh, Reliance Geo, etc. Now, if the organization wants to control credit limit at the business level in combination with the subsidiary level, so this is also now possible here. So, in fact, starting from a simple scenario where the entity may have one business and may be dealing with a customer which has one legal entity, to a complex end-to-end scenario where an organization may be having more than one lines of business and they may be interacting with clients which have more than one subsidiaries. So at individual level, credit limit can be assigned, the actuals can be tracked, and also it can be rolled up at the group level to see the overall consolidation. In SAP, we have tried to do it with the help of the example as shown below. In our example, the main company is Mahamaya with two subsidiaries, Mahamaya 1 and Mahamaya 2. With this, our organization is doing business, and our organization has two lines of business. One is ferrous and second is metal. On the left hand side, you can see the standard functionalities now available in SCB, the various scenarios which can be covered through standard functionalities, which includes your credit limit check at individual level, or you can roll it up at the overall head office level or at the business level. Billing with partners can stop at the overall level or at an individual level. So all these can be controlled and monitored now. So be it your individual level or at the top level. Finally, also in terms of reporting, you can have it at an individual child level or at the father level for each business or overall business. Thank you. In the slides now, in the demo, you will see these scenarios and how they can be mapped in SAP, what kind of reports can be generated to help you do the analysis. Thank you. In below section, now we see the demo of the scenario which we explained in the previous section. Thank you. Here, our FSCM consultant will walk you through the scenario on SAP system. Thank you.
I am FSCM consultant from G-Inditure to show you how credit management works and how parent business partner and child partner business partner in credit management. Okay, how it will define the credit segments and how the parent and child business partners are working within the credit management. Okay, this is the Mahamaya, this is the parent Mahamaya sponge, this is the parent business partner like parent customer. Next is Mahamaya 1. Mahamaya 1 is the child. Another child is Mahamaya 2. Mahamaya 2. Mahamaya 2 is another child. Okay. And I have defined within one segment. In Mahamaya 2 there is no credit exposure, like we have maintained 50,000. There is no credit exposure, like we have not created any DOs. Okay, DOs and billing. In Mahamaya, like Mahamaya is the parent. In parent, there is a credit exposure of 100 above 100%. Like credit limit exceeded. Okay. Next one is another child, Mahamaya 1. There is no credit exposure. Okay. Then I am going to create Mahamaya 2 sales order. Sales order I am going to DO. When I will create the DO, it will give one error, like credit management failed. Okay. When I will click on it, it will go there. $26. It will not create. When we will create another sales order for Mahamaya 1, it will give the credit management error for parent, because parent exceeded and child not exceeded. Mahamaya 1 not exceeded. This is the parent exceeded for this amount. That's why credit management failed. Okay. When we'll go to the PGI in DO, there is a warning message. When we will do the PGI, then it is blocked message here. This is a blocked message. We cannot do. This is the reporting part where all the credit exposure and the all credit segments are fetching together. Okay, here in the business partner field you can get the data business partner wise, or you can get the data credit segment wise. It will like credit segment wise means in credit segment division wise, like division there are many divisions are there, like ferroalloy, billet, sponge. Another, if we going to FMCG, milk division is there. There are many segments we can create according to your requirements. Like there are individual three, we have tested three. That's why we will get the data three in different segments. Like we are getting data in three segments. Like there are multi segments. One is CML, another is 000. Okay, you can get your data according to your requirement, like segment wise, partner wise, everything. In segments 00 there is no credit limit. In segment ZCML there is a credit limit and exposure is there. Everything you can get. Okay, according to your requirement. Okay, submission wise you can get in that report, you will get your data according to, okay, all that, all your requirements. Okay, no problem.
For your any queries or any explanations required, please contact us on the details mentioned in the next slide. You can drop us a query at inquiry@G-Inditure.com, or you can WhatsApp on our contact number +91 920 50 93 617. Our team will try to get back with your queries at the shortest possible time. Thank you so much.